Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a few different things to my car spawner. These are quite, people have been requesting these quite a lot, so I thought I'd do just a quick video showing you how you can do different things to improve it. So, one thing that keeps coming up is people asking how you can add several of these. So an easy way to do that is if I just create a folder. By the way, this car spawner is available in my Discord server if you want to join. So if I just create a folder, I'm going to call it the same thing, spawn pads. I'm going to drag this into here. Oh, whoops. Drag that into there, and then I'm going to duplicate it. So now we have two banks of spawns. Then I'll call the top one location 1 and the bottom one location 2, just like that. And then here I'm just going to duplicate this, and then inside of these I'm going to add a string value, just like such. I'm going to call it location, duplicate it, put the same thing in the other one. I'm going to call the bottom one LOC, well, where's this one at? There, LOC2 and LOC1. So we have our two locations. And then inside of the script here, I am going to go down to strategy UI actually, and here we will add a string value. We will call it, location, just like that. And then in here we can say PLR, well actually we'll just copy this, dot location dot value equals script dot parent dot location dot value, just like that. And then we can copy this line of code and paste it into the other script, not that one, this one here. Okay, and then if we go back to our local script here, and then I'm just going to put a comma, script dot parent dot location dot value, and then that will pass the argument of whatever that value is equal to. And then inside of my service script here, I'm going to add a location variable inside of here, and then put square brackets here, put LOC inside of there, and then further down here I'm going to put comma location, and then inside of spawn location I'm going to put square brackets location there, pass the argument of location, just like that. Okay, so in theory that will now work. We'll just see if we get any errors. No, we have not. So if I try and spawn the car over here, you can see it spawns on that side. You can see there's some errors here, but that's from the actual car model. You can see that. And then if we go over to the other proximity prompt, you can see it spawns on this side instead. Yeah, makes sense? Okay. So, another thing that came up quite frequently is how you can lock it to specific teams. So if I create myself, go to the teams, and I create myself two teams, I'm going to create one team called red. We'll make that red. And then one team called blue, and we'll make it blue. There you go. So on this one right here, what we can do is if we create an if statement, say if plr.teamColor is equal to game dot teams dot, we'll say red dot team color. So we're checking to see if it's equal to this, then run this code. And then what we can do is we can copy that and paste it into the other one, just like this, but change red to blue. So now if I play, you'll see I'm on the red team, so I can open up this one, but I can't open up this one. That's just basically how that if statement works. there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this nice quick little video. I just thought I'd clean up those couple of questions that I'd had. So thanks for watching.